Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2018 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number X342A. 24,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Nightfall Gray Metallic in color. This Equinox was previously GM certified, so you do receive the balance of that certified warranty. Equinox seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. It's a very safe vehicle with blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, and rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience, lots of cargo space in the rear. Back seats can be folded from the rear as well with a simple pull of the handle, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate control, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices, all-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon and the city average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.